It's not only liberal mayors who are refusing to comply with President Trump's new immigration order. One Democratic state lawmaker from Massachusetts is actually tipping off illegal immigrants about a possible ICE raid in the city of Brockton, Massachusetts. She's doing so in a Facebook post in which State Representative Michelle Dubois writes, "Please be careful. On Wednesday the 29th, ICE will be in Brockton on that day. If you are undocumented, don't go out on the street. If there is a knock on the door of your house and you don't know who it is, don't open the door. I ask you to be careful." She even includes a phone number where illegal immigrants can get help. Okay, joining me right now for analysis, former NYPD Commissioner Bernard Kerik. You know, Bernie, the thing here is, and Trump has said, you know, he doesn't necessarily want to go out there and break up families and round up people that are hardworking and trying to do the right thing, although they are here illegally. But you got people out there that ICE is trying to round up, that these county sheriffs and these local districts are standing directly in the way of. And frankly, by her tipping these people off in Massachusetts.
She's actually in violation of federal law. The mayor was on earlier from Austin, Texas, that said they're not violating federal law. That's a lie. They are violating. If they harbor, if they conceal, if they don't provide information to the federal government and cooperate, it's a violation of federal law. And I have to be honest, forget the whole sanctuary city stuff. This is about the Constitution. You swear to uphold the Constitution in the job you take to protect the laws of the state you're in and of the federal government. This is clear violation of federal law, and I think eventually what's going to happen, whether it's a mayor, a governor, or a police executive, which I'd hate to see, I think the Justice Department eventually is going to take action against these people. And there are violations, a 5-year term in prison, a 10-year term in prison. I highly suggest they learn the federal law before they go out there and make these statements.
And you've got the federal law with you.
Yes.
You want to read from that? We can put it up on the screen as well, just to clarify things for people. This is where it stands.
Any person who knowingly reckless disregard of the fact that an alien has come to, entered, or remains in the United States in violation of law, conceals, harbors, shields from detection, or attempts to conceal, harbor, or shield from detection such alien in any place, including any building, by any means of transportation, could be imprisoned for up to 5 years.
All right, so here you go, though. This is, you know, once again, this challenge between federal law and local law. So the local municipalities, the states, et cetera, they're all saying, no, we got our own laws, right? And our laws are different, and we don't have to abide by this.
State law is state law, but you still have to comply with federal law. You have to. And it's a violation not to. So these ICE agents are going to go out trying to find these people. If you don't give them the information they need, if you don't cooperate, it's a violation of law.
I get a list. I was showing the viewer this just yesterday. Here you go. Recent report from ICE. They looked at over a 1-week time span, nearly 200 people that were charged or convicted of crimes that were here in this country illegally. And guess what? These various county sheriffs let them off. And the reason they let them off is because, and I'm going to share with you the reason, they say over and over again that they will not honor ICE detainers. A detainer is a court order. A detainer is a court order by a federal judge. What do you mean you're not going to honor it? It violates the very Constitution you swore to uphold. I think what Attorney General Sessions has to go out and lock some of these people up. They'll get the message and they'll change their tune. All right, so it's not just federal funds you're going to cut off. You're going to go after people that are
They shouldn't get the federal funds, but you can't pick and choose what laws you're going to enforce or not enforce.
Well, look, and to me, it just gets back to common sense here, and this is wild, that you have people that are convicted of things like sexual assault, and yet you're going to look the other way and say, here you go, fine by me. It's crazy. Anyway, Bernie, always good to see you. Thank you very much.